In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert data from rows to columns in Excel. So this is really easy to do. And first step is we want to copy our data. So I'm going to select it, right click and then copy. Or you can also use Ctrl+C shortcut on keyboard if you want. And then you want to find cell where you want to paste it. So if I click on this D3 cell and I'm going to right click again, then you want to choose this arrow next to paste special. Then click on paste special. And from here you can check this transpose and then click OK. And as you can see, this is going to convert our rows to columns like this. So this is how you can convert your rows to columns in Excel. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.